Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to add, edit and manage your bookmarks in your Edge browser on Android. So open any website in your Edge browser, say suppose browser.com, and once you are on this page and if you want to bookmark any page, for example this page, what you can do is you can open that page, and once you open that page, tap on this 3-bar menu options, and in this you have this list of menus, and within that you have this add to favorite. So when you tap on it, it will be added to favorite. And there is also option where you can choose this favorites here, and here it will give you the option to add to favorite. So let me navigate to some other page. Okay, this page. So when I tap on this favorites here, it will again give me at the top you can see this option where it says add current page to favorite. I can just select that and it will be added to the mobile favorites. So in this way you can add the favorites. Now if you want to edit your favorites, what you can do is you can just tap on that 3-bar options again and go to favorites, and within favorites you have this mobile favorites where it will display all the bookmarks or the favorites that you added on your mobile phone. So you can just tap on this 3-dot option and it will give you option to edit, where you can edit, and it will have an editable field where you can change the name and the URL, and even you can change the folder if you have any multiple folders out of it. And once it is done, you can hit on the save command. Now this is how you can organize and manage your bookmarks. Now if you want to delete the bookmarks, simply you can tap on this 3-dot options and select the delete command here, and that will delete your bookmark. And similarly, if you select here and if you have multiple bookmarks here, what you can do is you can tap on this move command, or you can also choose this delete command here, which will delete your bookmark. So in this way you can add, edit and manage your bookmarks within your Edge browser app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.